So I missed this stage, but we've put the insulation down on the floor and we've put the first piece of wood in and cut that. Now we've got to cut these two bits of wood to do these two back panels. We've gone with 12mm ply because the 9mm ply was so warped that it just wasn't worth it. Here we're trying to create a step so we can have a little cubby underneath for bits and pieces. And then it's on to insulating the walls with the recycled plastic. And now we're attempting to cut out the hole for the vent. We started off using a Dremel, but it wasn't strong enough. Then the blade kept coming out. The jigsaw, we done it from the inside because we've both got bad backs and didn't want to get up on the roof.
Oh, he was flying. Stand up then.
You can stand up. And here's a debate of how we open it, as neither one of us has got a freaking clue.
Oh.
I have no idea. I've never practiced opening it.
Just push.
I don't know, babe. I've never tried opening it. Perfect. Well done.
Fucking hell.
Amazing what your skills have come along since the last van. I don't know if you can have that at an angle. you can have it at an angle.
As you can see, I have not a clue what I'm talking about because it doesn't really matter what way round you have it.
Needs to be turned round, because if you have an air vent up, you're supposed to have the opening at the back of the van, so the wind doesn't blow it up.
It's all circular.
Yeah, but if you have it half down,
Yeah.
that's facing that way.
Yeah. You can have it half down the other way. So you can have it half down that way.
Oh, you can have it either whatever way. That don't matter then. Just be careful. It's not the most expensive, so it's probably made of cheap plastic.
You have to come off it.
Here we're just building up layers of the boot-on tape because of the ridges. It took in some places 4 layers.
Handles that way, not that way, that way. Yeah, so it goes up like that.
Come on. Might have to chop this off a bit.
Why don't you cut it so it's like at an angle, like they do when they do windows?
I will, but I don't think I brought my standing blade out.
Try scissors. Oh, does it have to be that big?
Yeah, looking at that ridge, yeah.
Ah!
Bastard.
Good job you put gloves on, wasn't it?
Oh, shit.
Babe, let's pull them gloves off and put another glove on. Don't let go on your wood. Take this glove off.
Fucking shit. I hate this shit.
It's good stuff though. And then stick another glove on. Right, do you want me to take that bit off the end? This is why I said put gloves on. Please don't get it on the glass.
Bring more than one tube.
Yeah, I've got 2 tubes. Why, are you going to use a whole tube?
Quite possibly.
Well, that's order then. That's not cheap, that either.
No. Oh, don't slip, you bastard.
That's a lot of Sikaflex. Ain't going on there, is it? glove to stick on the end of it when you've released it.